So in new update you can finally tame sheeps in Hytale. How you can do it? I'm gonna spawn here some sheeps and all you need to do is to be in creative or survival mode and press F to tame and click on that sheep and it's gonna show you the favorite food of sheep, which is the lettuce. I got here some lettuce prepared. So you have to hold it lettuce in your hands and you have to press F. As you can see, they are friendly now, and press F and now they are tamed. If I run without the lettuce, she is running away, so grab the lettuce and press F and she's no longer running even if I don't grab the lettuce. Now they are friendly, you can pet them, press F, and this is available in new patch version updated Hytale. Also, if you grab the lettuce to your hand, they will follow you, as you can see. So that's how you can do it. If you cannot tame sheeps, make sure to update to pre-release version in Hytale. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.